Going towards gym. It's morning 7:30. I guess I don't know. It's nearly 7:30. I just finished off my shift. Everybody just started off. Waiting for one guy. So I hope you guys enjoyed that last video, yesterday's video. We played cricket. I played cricket. I played table tennis. Oi! Chal, Ankil. So let's head towards gym. Meet you in gym. I think I can shoot today. I hope. Dada is always responsible. Uncle. आज अंकेल को दिखेगा मजा आ जाएगा भाई अगर मैं वर्कआउट शुरू करता रहेगा ना currently in gym doing the workout. Today is shoulder day, so let's do the grind. Doing setups for abdomen as well. So let's do the grind and let's see what can we do productive today. Finally reached campus. Finally finished off gym. 11:30 right now. Finished, totally done. Shoulders day, shoulder is gone. जंपर नहीं है वो ये है वो क्या है वो स्पंज बॉब नहीं है स्पंज बॉल भी नहीं है वो उसको क्या बोलते हैं भाई इसको कुछ एक बॉल बोलते हैं भाई छोड़ जाने क्रिकेट बॉल ओह माय गॉड दादा इज लुकिंग सेक्सी डाल दे बंगाली मैट्रिमोनी पे अभी से ही तो एक है you guys know matrimonial sites में if you are finding any kind of if you are a girl or if you are a boy whatever they have got packages. I got to know that packages depends on how much the guy is earning and or how much the girl is earning. I was like अरे package है combo offer हाँ मतलब you give this much amount of money you will get this type of girls or this type of guys you get this much amount of money you will get this type of rating है rating for boys and girls oh my goodness so let's head back home take the bath and let's come back see you in the terrace I hope so कब सोएगा have to sleep bro so let's pretty much continue the day welcome back to the vlog everybody is looking chikna this guy is looking great and this guy is looking also awesome Angel so reached gym today is 14th of February Valentine's Day arms workout भाई सब लोग कुछ और करेगा भाई कुछ और करेगा आर्म्स वर्कआउट से लोग करना है गले में ओह हां love you yeah happy Valentine's Day let's start the day in gym right now gonna start the day 14th of February first workout done dusted Always flexing, always flexing. Finally, gym is over. Valentine's Day gym is over. Didi done good pretty much gym today. Dada is flexing. Another Dada is also flexing. So let's head back home. Today's day is a little bit sober. So let's head back home and do what can we do the best. तेरे को मारने नहीं आ रहा था? Was he hot? Actually speaking, Saraswati Puja, Bengali Saraswati Puja is on 16th of February.
Yeah, 16th of February.
16th of February is Saraswati Puja in Kolkata and it is considered as Bengali Valentine's Day. कल बाहर ही नहीं निकलेगा? हाँ निकलेगा. कल का प्लान है? हाँ. Meet you tomorrow? Yeah. Happy Valentine's Day. Hey, bye. So me and Didi are waiting. Gonna leave shoot. We are gonna leave and come back. So me and Didi are waiting. Too tired, no?
No pain,
No gain.
always keep in
Today's motto: no pain, no gain. Today's
আমার
work.
বয়ফ্রেন্ড আছে আমার সতীনকে ছাড়ে
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Finally reached campus. I'm so tired. My arms are paining like anything. Today was the arms day. Pretty much done. We're heading back home. I'm gonna have some breakfast, take bath, lunch, then take a nap. I have the shift today. This guy is enjoying his life. It's Valentine's Day today. He's gonna go out with his girlfriend. As we saw the plan, which Disha said, gonna go for a lunch. Uncle. Kinda. Thinking something productive. This guy is gonna make the plan. If something happens, goes wrong, this guy is kindly sole responsible for that. क्या चल रहा? अच्छा लग रहा है? अच्छा लग रहा है. और तू बोल.
हालत में नहीं है मैं घर जा रहा हूँ. I need to take rest.
Same here. So let's head back home and continue the day. Hi guys, welcome back. Today is 14th of February. Valentine's Day. This is very special. This is very special day in each and everyone's life. I know that Valentine's Day couples just roam around here and there, spend their good time, post some good photos in their social media. I think from my end, I think that Valentine's Day is not only about having a better half in your life. Valentine's Day is more than that. It is all about Valentine's Day is all about love, affection, and great good times in your life. This is the only day where you can show, you can convey your love, convey your gratitude, convey your happiness to the people you love in your life. It can be your family person, mom, dad, brother, sister, cousins, whomsoever it may be, your friends, whomsoever it may be, boy, girl, transgender, whomsoever it may be. Love is such a thing that it should be unconditional. It should not be materialistic. That's what I think. It should be unconditional. It should not have any expectations from the other end. That is what is love. So the unconditional love, first to my mind comes is family love, the love from your parents, father and mother. In my case, my auntie as well, Srimati. She's like my daughter, but she's like my mother as well. So both criteria comes in there. So I love her a lot. My mom and dad, I do love them a lot, and my brother Bharat Ramakrishnan. Friendship is one among the unconditional love, which I think. So if I have missed someone to wish about, I have this moment to wish. So that is I love you guys a lot, especially my gang, my people,
Sanjay, Rahul, Hari, Adi, Venkat, Pranav, SK, each and everyone, and Varun as well. So each and everyone from Chennai and from Kolkata. From Kolkata, it is Orchon Sani, Devu Bhai, Shur, and Ricky. People from my sisters from Kolkata, those are Ankita, Pratyusha, Konunika Ghosh. So I love you all. I love from my bottom of my heart. I'm there for you always. You can reach out to me anytime, any problem, anything, I'll be there. So the next thing is I want to wish my buddy Dean Jones. I'm very happy for you. There is lots and lots of things are coming up in your life. I'm very happy for you also. And I want to wish Sarojini and Surya and Raja bro for their happy married life. Murugan bro, if you are seeing this is for you as well. So happy married life, a good step up in your life, a good valuable times are gonna come in your life. So I'm very happy for that as well. So lots and lots of love to share all the time. It's not only that we have to share love in our Valentine's Day or a special occasional day we have to share. You can take up your time. You can call up your buddy or you can call up your parents and tell that yes, I do love you, I do care about you, I do think about you. So you can tell that, you can share. So that is what is from my end I want to say to in this Valentine's Day. So until then, comment, like and subscribe to the videos, and please hit that subscribe button. If you have seen this video till this end, please do hit that subscribe button and support. Your support is much needed for Blink Next Door. And yes, I missed one part. That part is yes, I do love my subscribers a lot. I love them a lot because they have built me they have given me a small boost in my life, a small encouragement in my life that yes, I can put up videos day in daily out, whatever it may be. But yes, thank you so much for that encouragement. I love you guys a lot. So please do keep supporting me, and I'll be bringing you lots and lots of videos and bringing you out what happening in the life of Sriram Ramki. So thank you so much for being a part of Blink Next Door and being very few starting subscribers of this channel. Thank you so much, and comment, like and subscribe to the videos. I'll be coming back with another video tomorrow, which is 15th of February. Comment, like and subscribe and share this video with your family and friends, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon here, please. Okay, so until then, adios brother.